In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Automator plugin in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. To start, you'll want to open up your projects within Figma. This is the space where all your creative designs come to life. Go ahead and navigate to the project you'd like to work on. Next, look for the Action button in the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll access various plugins, including Automator. Just give it a click and we'll move on to the next step. Now in the search bar that appears, type in Automator. Once you see the plugin pop up, click on it to open it up. This is the core of what we'll be using to create automations in Figma. Once you have Automator open, you'll want to look for a plus sign icon. This is how you add custom automations. If your team has shared a JSON file with you for an automation, you can select it here and import it. Otherwise, feel free to create a new automation type from scratch. Let's dive into some practical examples. First, go ahead and create a frame on the canvas. You can add some text to it for context. This combination will be helpful later when we start automating tasks. After you have your frame set up, click on the Create Text option that appears in the Automator menu. You'll see a new bar pop up where you can type in your custom text. Adjust the font size and style as needed to match your design. Once you've added your text, it's time to check how it looks. You should see a Run button at the bottom of the Automator panel. Go ahead and click that to see your custom text appear on the slide you're working on. It's exciting to see everything come together. Next, we want to give our automation a name. Click on the pencil icon beside the default name Untitled. You can rename it to something like Add Text. A clear name will help you remember what this automation does later. If you're looking to add a background to your text, create another automation by clicking on the plus sign again. Here, you can add a new frame and place the Add Text automation beneath it. This will set everything up nicely for your design. As you explore more options, you'll notice a couple of actions available in the menu. For example, try typing in highlight to see what happens when you play with different text effects. Now let's go back. Click on the Action button and type Automator once more. You should see the automation we created earlier appear in the list. Go ahead and click on our Add Text automation, and just like that, your workflow integrates seamlessly on the slide, allowing you to drag and drop your elements where you want them. Isn't that amazing? You've successfully set up an automated workflow in Figma. As you can see, using Automator can really speed up your design process and add some fantastic functionality. And there you have it. Your automation is ready and your design is taking shape beautifully. I hope you enjoyed following along with this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, happy designing.